Hey, what's up guys? And today we're checking out the REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP, a dual dash cam setup that records in Ultra HD 4K on the front and Full HD 1080p on the rear. This little gadget promises high quality footage for your car, covering both angles with some impressive specs. First off, video quality. The front camera shoots in stunning 4K at 3840 by 2160 pixels, while the rear keeps it solid at 1080p. What does that mean in real life? You're going to get crisp details, things like road signs, license plates, and other crucial info that can really help in case something happens. The wide-angle lenses help too, with 170 degrees up front and 140 degrees out back, giving you a broader view to reduce blind spots. Now, night driving is where some dash cams struggle, but the REDTIGER doesn't disappoint. It sports an f1.5 ultra-large aperture lens with 6 layers and HDR/WDR tech, which means it captures more light and balances exposure really well in low-light situations. So your footage at night or in shady areas still looks clear. For the tech nerds, there's built-in Wi-Fi and a smart app. You just connect your phone and can view, playback, or even download videos right from the REDTIGER app on iOS or Android. Editing and sharing your footage is just a tap away, which is super convenient. There's also GPS built in. This records your real-time location, speed, and route. You can track all this on Google Maps through the app or their desktop GPS player software. It's a nice feature that adds context if you need to prove what happened in an accident. Speaking of accidents, this dash cam has all the reliable features you'd expect. Loop recording means it'll overwrite old footage automatically when the card is full, so you never run out of storage. The G sensor detects collisions and locks the video so it doesn't get overwritten. Plus, there's a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode, but you'll need to get a hardware kit to keep it running while your car is parked. Build quality feels solid, and the package comes with a round double-sided adhesive pad for easy installation. The display is a simple LED type, keeping things minimal and focus on the footage quality. And lastly, REDTIGER backs this with an 18-month warranty and a satisfaction guarantee, which is always nice to have when you're trusting a device like this for your daily commute or road trips. So, if you want a solid front and rear dash cam combo with excellent video quality, smart app control, GPS tracking, and reliable accident recording features, the REDTIGER F7NP looks like a really good pick. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.